Hi everyone, welcome to the Advanced Learning Center. আজি আমি আৰম্ভ কৰিম আসাম হিষ্টৰীৰ পাৰ্ট 3 লৈ। অলৰেডি আমি আসাম হিষ্টৰীৰ পাৰ্ট 1 and পাৰ্ট 2 ভিডিঅ' আপলোড কৰিছোঁ। Those who are not seen earlier part 1 and part 2, please go through that part 1 and part 2 and then you can see part 3. So now I'm going to start Assam history part 3. When was Assam Congress provincial was formed? It is in the year 1921. The illustration work of medieval Assamese text Hasti Vidyar Nova during the region of Shiva Sinha was done by Sukumar Barkat. The Gohain Komal Ali path was constructed during the region of Naranarayan. Who was the author of book India Against Itself? It is Dr. Sanjeev Barua. The Doder Ali is constructed during the region of Gadadhar Sinha. The Jaisagar tank was excavated under the region of Rudra Sinha. The district was separated from the Assam and was given to the East Pakistan in the year 1947 was Sylhet. In Assam, a course of hot water spring is situated in Nambur Reserve Forest. Kamakhya temple was rebuilt by which one of the following Kosh king? It is Naranarayan. Naranarayan Kamakhya temple rebuilt korisil. Who introduced a silver coin named Narayani during his rule? Naranarayan was introduced the silver coin. Its name was Narayani. Srimanta Shankardev was able to establish Ek Sharanam Dharma during which king rule? It is Naranarayan. Kanaklata Barua became the martyr of which of the following national movements? Quit India movement. The Patkai Boom range makes the boundary between India and Burma. The Patkai Boom range makes the boundary between India and Burma. Name of the place at Assam is confluence of three high reserve pilgrimages of Hindu, Muslim and Buddhist. It is Hajo. Siang joined by Lohit and Dibang makes which of the following rivers? It is mighty Brahmaputra. Which wildlife sanctuary of Assam boasted of the golden langur? It is Chakrashila. In which year Gopinath Bardoloi was arrested for taking part in the freedom movement? 1922. The Pulaguri uprising was take place 18 October 1861. Name of assistant commissioner who was died in Pulagiri uprising? He was Lieutenant Singer in Assam, and in which district is the site of rainforest. It is Jaipur, that is name of the district is Dibrugarh. From Assam, who joined the famous Dandi March. Leeladhar Barua was joined in the famous Dandi March. The historic Assam Accord was signed on 15 August 1985. Ali Ayong Ligang is the agri-based festival celebrated by the Mising tribe people of Assam. Madam Mephi festival is celebrated annually on 31st of January. Assam Police Day is observed on 1st October. In which year Bodo Sahitya Sabha was founded? It is 1952. Who directed the Assamese film Shakuntala? Dr. Bhupen Hazarika was directed the Assamese film called Shakuntala. Which one was the second film directed by Jyoti Prasad Agarwala? Indra Maloti. Jyoti Prasad Agarwala is also known as Rup Kunwar of Assamese culture. Jyoti Prasad Agarwala is also called as Rup Kunwar of Assamese culture. Anand Chandra Barua is popularly known as Bokul Bonor Kobi in Assamese Literacy Society. Tarunram Phukon is popularly known as Deshbhakta. Ganesh Gogoi is also known as Papuri Kobi. Nilamani Phukon Sr. is popularly known as Bagmibor in the Assamese culture. Naliniwala Devi is popularly known as nationalistic as well as the majestical poetry. The book Mariam Astin Athava Hira Barua is written by Apurva Kolita Patinga. Shobha Brahma was associated with the fine arts. Lasit Divas is celebrated on 24th of November. The Assam Divas is celebrated on 2nd December. During the Assam King region, the Saraighat battle was ended with decisive win over Mughal. Udayaditya Sinha. Which Ahom king created the Bor Barua and Bor Phukon post? Pratap Sinha. Pratap Sinha was created the post Bor Barua and Bor Phukon. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and like these videos. Press bell icon to get notification whenever new videos is posted. Please share with your friends. Thank you for watching my videos.